This is the Dungeons and Dragons starter set, and I teach kids how to play Dungeons and Dragons, and adult new players too. And I couldn't wait to open this.
Here.
I was thinking it'd be fun to open it with the kids on Tuesday. I got a new class that I've never taught before, and they're 3rd through 5th graders. Even though this says, I just noticed that this says ages 12 and up.
Oh.
Yeah, but we'll see. That's the other reason I want to open it, because I want to see if the
maybe we can scaffold it down.
yeah, I just want to see if there's anything in here that's too like scary or sensitive for kids. But here it says 12 plus. This was $55 at my local gaming store. I'll put a description in the box below too for you to buy it if you want to buy it on Amazon. But the problem is, you know, I like to support my local gaming store. So. All right, so we got the shrink wrap on finally. Pretty cool art. I don't know what that is. What's that?
Like a
Cat?
calf or a fawn.
I know what that is. That's a mimic.
Oh.
All right, so apparently there's a lot of stuff in here. And I think you can use the box. No, I thought they'd have a map in the box. That's a little bit cool. Anyway, read me first. All right, it's talking about unpacking the box. You got maps and booklets, tokens, class boards, sort the cards, and a quick start video you can watch. Ooh. All right, cool. Getting started, choosing your role. If you're the dungeon master, flip through the play guide, choose an adventure setting, the adventures. All right, cool. All right, so let's take a look. All right, so play guide. So this is like describing all of the, looks like it's describing the cards, background cards, equipment cards, spell cards. See, I think this is kind of cool because the kids are going to be able to see the pictures and it's going to like fire their imagination, right?
Yeah.
Instead of me trying to describe like, what's plate armor?
Yeah.
What's plate armor? Is that like a bunch of plates?
Yeah, little kids, littler children need visual cues.
Exactly. Exactly. This is the type of stuff that they'll remember like for the rest of their lives. They'll be like, remember that one time we played Dungeons and Dragons and they showed us that picture of a red dragon? This has all kinds of, all right, stuff in there. The adventure booklet, Wilderness. Okay, so let's see. So I guess there's a couple different adventures. So this one, you're just exploring the wilderness. And things happen on the trail. And then there's an ambush by bandits. And sprites and occult ritual. I don't know about that. Flock of sturges, that's cool. Lizard folk, goblins, hobgoblins, spiders. Nothing too crazy there. Keep on the Borderlands. Okay, now it's upside down. This is pretty cool because I think they have a whole map of like this.
Right.
Keep, and there's like all these different places you can go and check out. Social interaction, of course. Kids, as soon as you introduce them to like a character, they just want to like engage in combat with that character. So
yeah, they just want to fight.
that's why the wilderness thing is probably going to be good for them. You know, but then eventually, if they see pictures of people behaving themselves and having fun at like a party, maybe they'll get the hint. I don't know. Let's see. Caves of Chaos. This is a classic adventure.
Yeah.
Kobolds. Here, this is the one where you get to see different kinds of creatures. So you get kobolds in one, you get mephits in another, nothics, goblins, ogres, hobgoblins. See, this is perfect for kids because then they're not killing humans; they're killing monsters. So like, you know, and that's the thing. Like, you don't want to.
You start with like explaining to young people that like this is not real.
This is not real.
This
is totally made up. And if you did any of this stuff in real life, you would go to jail.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's and every once in a while I remind them of that too. And then there's like letters, like little handouts. There's like this is cool. So it shows them what they can buy and it shows them what it looks like.
Nice.
Oh yeah, we're definitely using this.
Yeah, so you've got 4 little books. Well, there's more.
There's so much stuff.
So many books.
there's 4 books.
Okay.
I think was there 3? There were 3,
Yeah,
I think.
then this is something else.
These are the maps. See, this is what I want. Because, like, I have these big binders. You've probably seen it on my channel if you're watching my channel. That of maps, but they're real heavy. And you can just take one of these maps and fold it up. And there you go, right? And each one of these maps goes with a book.
Right.
And they're two-sided.
Nice.
And they're 5 squares, so they go with the minis.
Yeah.
So I'll bring the minis.
Hopefully they won't trash those.
Oh, these will get trashed. It's no big deal. I'll just buy a different one for every class.
Yeah.
So, let's see. These are more caves.
Nice.
Oh, I love it. This is so cool. And then this will give them an idea of when they want to like draw their own maps.
Yeah, have them make their own maps.
I always have them run their own maps with like graph paper.
Yeah.
See, that's the only thing is like if I use these, then like, you know what I mean? Is this gonna be too much of a crutch?
No, it'll just, you can use them as an inspiration.
Right.
You can just show them
Right.
a little bit, but then like have them really make their own map.
Yeah.
Put it, like show it to them and then
Right.
like put it away.
Mm,
You know?
I don't think
or-
I'll be able to put it away.
Or have it out, but like don't let them use it.
Right.
You know?
Well, I don't know about that. We're gonna play.
Well,
with these maps, I think.
Yeah, okay. You do what you want.
Cool. Cave H.
Yeah, these kids are little. They're not going to be able to draw their own maps.
No, I don't know, man. Those kids over at Carlo did. They drew like
Oh, yeah,
some
that's
great
true.
maps.
They mostly were into building.
Yeah, they had Legos and stuff. We're gonna be in the creator space, but maker space at the school. But I don't want. You know, we're not gonna be able to like touch any of the stuff.
Yeah.
So I have to bring my own stuff. So we got this cave.
Did you want to get some cheap markers and stuff at Five Below?
Yeah, I'll get some
Okay.
markers and stuff.
I can't use my permanent ones for this because
No.
they're permanent.
All right, here's the keep on the Borderlands. So here's like the actual castle. All the different places they can go. And then there's the trail.
Cool.
Wilderness trail. What's this? This is the entrance to the caves. So these are all the caves that we just looked at. Or have letter designations. And this is where they all are. And that's another cave. Alright. What's this? Okay, this is like the wilderness map. These are the fens. These are the tamarack stand, whatever that means. I guess like trees, forests. And one more thing here. The woods, into the woods. And the trail on this side. Cool. So that's all the maps. They all go together like this. Now, here's the nitty gritty coming up. It's the player cards. So we'll do this here.
You can put stuff over here if you want.
Alright. Okay. So each one of these is a different class. We got clerics. Level 1, level 2, level 3, and level 3. Why would there be 2 level 3s? Okay. Clerics.
a misprint. See if they say the exact same thing.
No, fighter, level 2. Level 3, and level 3. Okay. Oh, because there's 2 different subclasses. So this one is an Eldritch Knight. This one is a champion.
Okay.
This is too confusing.
No, you're gonna have probably that's for you, not for them.
Rogues. These are what you pass out to the players so that they
Yeah.
can see. This is like their character sheets.
Yeah, but you're gonna have to translate that.
Oh my gosh, yes.
Maybe you can just put like a little sticky note on it or something.
Mm-hmm.
A little basic. Get one of those larger sticky notes where you just write down a few of the basic things.
Here's the other thing. It's only got 4. 1, 2, 3. It only has 4 players. And I have 5 kids in the class, so this is not going to work.
Unless 2 of them are the same kind of thing.
Gold piece tokens.
Yeah.
This is cool because it's like instead of the figurines, there's a bunch of monster tokens.
Cool.
Nice. So here's your monsters. Here's your owl bear.
You can
Giant
also have them.
Gelatinous cube.
2 of them can be the same thing.
Oh yeah, trying to get them to share. Here's the player tokens. So here's what they could look like. Spider webs.
Listen,
Terrain
they
tokens.
can learn to share.
Learn to share, kids. Learn to share. Power tokens, hit point tokens, gem tokens. Tokens. Okay, combat tracker. Oh, that's pretty cool. What's this? That's nothing. What you can do on your turn. And then, let's see. Okay. I think these are monster cards. So this is what you can do on your turn. So there's only 4 of those. And then here's like monsters. Animated flying sword, bandit. These are all in alphabetical order. Wow, I'll do a whole video of like all the different ones there are here. There's a ton. Okay. On your turn in combat and actions. Attack, dash, disengage, dodge, help, hide, influence, magic, ready, search, study, utilize. This is pretty useful. I can copy these. Here's a bunch of non-player characters. Dice, of course. Bunch of bags, I guess, for more dice.
I would suggest to keep it simple. Don't bring up too much stuff.
Yeah, I know. Look at all these cards, man.
Yeah.
Like, these will all get thrown all over the place and lost.
Yeah.
Equipment.
You can repackage it, like.
Yep. Dole it out small amounts.
Yeah.
Not take the whole box of things.
Yeah.
Just take like a map at a time.
Yeah.
With a couple
Exactly.
cards.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm. I think you're right. I think this will be an accessory thing. So I'll do pre-generated character sheets the first day so that they can like just kind of get the hang of like reading the actual character sheets. I'm not going to take the player cards because I'll need more than I have. And I'll take maybe a couple monster cards so they can see the pictures of the monsters.
And the tokens, some of the tokens.
These are backgrounds and species and then items. Here's a bunch of magic items. I can take some magic items and spell cards. That's cool. All right, and that's what's in the box. Is that worth
cool.
$55?
Yeah.
I think so.
Yeah.
There's a lot of neat stuff
Well, it's
here.
got a lot of inspiration for the teacher too. It's not,
Yeah.
it's a game, yes, but
Yes.
it's also like a resource.
This is why there's all these bags here for all these tokens once you punch them out.
Mm-hmm.
That's exactly what all these
Because
bags
those
for.
are gonna fly around.
Oh yeah.
Yeah.
No doubt about it.
Mm-hmm.
No doubt about it. Okay. Pretty cool though. I'll bet they have an expansion pack too later with like all the other different classes and things. More class cards.
All right.
And more adventure modules. They set this up probably to be, expandable. Which is a good idea if they do that. Okay, get those maps in there. All right. Well, as I start teaching these kids and using this starter set, I will let you know how it goes. And thanks for subscribing to the channel. All 15,287 of you.
That's
now?
awesome.
Yeah, it's quite a lot of people. All right. So have fun. If you have any questions about teaching Dungeons and Dragons to kids, let me know. And I'll see you on the next one. Take care.